Khasi or Khariam, or for him we call it Maram. Yes. And for me Jaintia. But we are origin from the same root, same practice, everything same.
और 2005 से 5 या 6 से रणोत्सव शुरू हो गया है। रणोत्सव फेस्टिवल होता है कच्छ में। ये 3 फेमस है गुजरात के। फिर कपड़े जो होते हैं फेमस वो मिरर वर्क वाले। फिर पाटन का नाम सुना होगा, पाटन के पटोले साड़ी होती हैं वो, उसके ऊपर से गिद्ध भी बना है। तो ये कपड़ों की विशेषता गुजरात में सबसे ज़्यादा है। और अहमदाबाद और अब सूरत भी है, डायमंड का भी बिजनेस जो है वो सूरत में है। तो ऐसी बहुत सारी
इट मीन्स ये जिंदगी एक झोला है। वो कैसा झूलता बोले तो जब तक भगवान का कृपा आपके पास है।
The population has made its presence felt in all these countries: Australia, New Zealand, UK, Canada, above all, US. So they are kind of everywhere. And I think about Punjab, there was such a huge help coming. So they have this spirit that if Punjabis can help everybody and anybody across the world, can't they help themselves? So that is the spirit. So I would say that this character of the Punjabis, being generous, being brave, going into any part of the world to save the destitute, not caring for caste or religion, because as I said, the spirit from where they get all this inspiration is the Golden Temple. And the Golden Temple does not make any discrimination on the basis of caste, religion.
I have seen as Delhi's culture. I think we have people from all states. There are people from UP, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So basically, as a capital city, it actually truly represents each and every culture that is there in India, every religion that is there in India. Also, growing up, we because in our school or otherwise, we never felt that this particular festival is our culture. We celebrated all festivals. We celebrated Christmas. We celebrated Eid. So one of the most beautiful part about living in Delhi is that you make friends with other communities and you celebrate their festivals as their own person. There is no line or any demarcation or that this is not our culture or this is not our festival. You will step out on, if you're ever here on 25th Christmas, the whole city will be lit up like it's Diwali today. The malls will be decorated, everything will be decorated. The moment there is Eid, everyone is talking about biryani and stepping out for it. So one of the things that actually makes Delhi very, very special that I've seen, like, as compared to other states, that you actually experience food, culture, festivals that are there all over India. And that's something that I find very beautiful about Delhi. So hope you can experience it too.
We'll be continuing these things, exchanging educational and cultural exchange. Thank you so much. আজি ইণ্ডিয়া ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল চেণ্টাৰত আমাৰ অধিৱেশন আছিল, ইণ্ডিয়ান কলেজেছ ফৰ্মৰ 26তম অধিৱেশন। এই 26তম অধিৱেশনত অসমৰ পৰা আমি 5জন মানুহে প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰিছিলোঁ। আজি সন্ধিয়া অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ মৈত্ৰীবন্ধন উপসমিতিৰ আহ্বায়ক ডক্টৰ শশীকান্ত শইকীয়া আমাৰ মাজত আছিল। আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান কলেজেছ ফৰ্মৰ সাহিত্য সভাৰ সহযোগত এটা খুব সুন্দৰ অনুষ্ঠান কৰিলোঁ। ভাৰতৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰান্তৰ পৰা অহা প্ৰতিনিধিসকলে নৃত্য গীত সংগীতেৰে মৈত্ৰীবন্ধনৰ যি মূল লক্ষ্য বা মূল উদ্দেশ্য, সেই উদ্দেশ্য এটাক প্ৰতিফলিত কৰিছে। বহুত উপকৃত হৈছোঁ আমি। এই জগতে ডক্টৰ শশীকান্ত শইকীয়াক ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। আৰু আমি বিশেষভাৱে এই যুটীয়া যিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ কাৰণে ডক্টৰ জিডি সমাজসেৱক আমি ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
My name is Ramesh Sharma and Dr. Saikia is my best friend. I love him. I love DHSK College, the best college in Dibrugarh. And here we are for a conference organized by Indian Colleges Forum, and I'm very happy to say that the Indian Colleges Forum and Assam Sahitya Sabha for the intra-foreign committee convener, Professor Shashikant Saitya, they organized this event, a cultural event of 1 hour, in which you can see here the people from different states of India. They expressed that what is the good characteristic of their state. Like we had good friends from Assam, from Meghalaya. They told us about the features, the climatic conditions, the geography, the culture, the education status of their state. We had colleagues from Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat, they told so many beautiful things that it is the confluence of the best culture of our beloved country. So thank you so much.
Good evening. My name is Dr. P. Nokru from Meghalaya. Attending one of the important programs organized by Indian College Forums in association with Assam Sahitya Sabha under the guidance and leadership of Dr. Saikia, and many principals from different states attend the program, right from Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and this Punjab, Meghalaya, and Assam, and many more. I cannot recall all that names. And today also, with the collaborations of Assam Sahitya Sabha, we are having this cultural program for 1 hour, and all the principals are participating and showcase their culture, either in demo, and also they tell us the story about their backgrounds and about their states. And this program is very, very important because through this program they help us to integrate, to make India unity, as well as to feel the brotherhood amongst all the principles. And I hope we all carried this information, this knowledge, what we learned today evening, to our colleges and also to our state, so that we spread a message of peace. Lastly, my thankfulness also goes to J.D. Sharma, who was the main person to organize these programs, and a big thank you to him, and also to the Assam Sahitya Sabha Foreign Committee under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Saikia, to make this program success. Once again, thank you. Take this advantage to wish you all a happy Christmas as well as Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
খুব সুন্দৰ এটা সন্ধিয়া উপভোগ কৰিলোঁ। ইণ্ডিয়ান কলেজেছ ফৰাম আৰু অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ মৈত্ৰী বন্ধনৰ সহযোগত এটা সুন্দৰ এটা কালচাৰেল ফাংচন হৈ গ'ল। বিভিন্ন ষ্টেটৰ মানুহ আহিছিলে ইয়াতে, কৰ্ণাটকা, কেৰেলা, নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰো অসম, মেঘালয়, বিভিন্নজনৰ লগত মত বিনিময় হ'ল আৰু এটা খুব সুন্দৰ অনুষ্ঠান হ'ল। আৰু এই অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ কাৰণে আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান কলেজেছ ফৰামৰ ইয়াৰ উদ্যোক্তা ডক্টৰ জি.ডি. শৰ্মা ছাৰ আৰু লগতে মৈত্ৰী বন্ধনৰ আহ্বায়ক Shashikant Saitya sarku dhanyabad janabu.
Dr. Suresh Kumar Nandgaon from Karnataka, Gulbarga, Sharanabasweshwar College of Arts. I am participated in 26th Principals National Conference, that is ICF, and Assam Sahitya Sabha, which organized a interstate cultural heritage exchange program, which is this program. Nearly 15 states representatives are participated, all are principals. They exchange their state ideals and heritage importance among the participants, and it is a very important session. We learn here the importance of Indian heritage, our Indian culture, which is unity in diversity, and we develop the importance of the Indian culture, and apart from the importance of Indian culture, we learn here the life skills, how to live together, how to win together, and how to teach together. So organizing such kind of activities, I congratulate and wish Dr. D.D. Sharma and Dr. Shashikant, who is a convener of Assam Mitra Bandhan. We thanks both of them. Thank you very much.